How do you sync the reading list on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So at first, Safari is a built-in app which can be synced over iCloud. So if you have multiple devices, like a lot of people have the iPhone and iPad and want to have the same thing on both devices, you can go to the Settings app, then tap on the profile at the top and proceed to iCloud. And from all of the apps which do show up in here, you want to make sure that Safari is enabled, and you do it on both devices. So if you have two iPhones using the same Apple ID, you enable it on both. If you have iPhone and iPad, same thing, make sure it's enabled and synced like that. And this will just mean that, of course, both devices belong to you. So if you're browsing the web on the iPad, add a website to the reading list, it will also be synced and appear on the iPhone. So that is how it fundamentally works. On the other hand, if you have some web pages stored in the reading list and you want to share them with other people, not necessarily your own devices, you can just go to the reading list like that, use the two-finger gesture to select as many as you wish, and you can just drag them, for example, into the messages, and you'll be able to paste them there, and it's just individual links which you can share with other people. Or you can paste it in other places, like in a note, or copy the links, whatever. But that is how you can share it, not with your devices, but with someone else. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later as well.